Hello, in this video I am going to be giving you a quick overview of the difference between a distribution list and a group for emails within the Office 365 environment. If you're going through your migration checklist, you'll find that this is step 11, and it really depends what you want to look at. But the first thing I need to do is obviously access my emails, and I'm going to do that by searching bit.ly/glow email. You could use the shortcut that's underneath the Internet Tools if you're on a particular machine. So this takes me to my emails as normal. The first thing I'll show you is just an email distribution list. So to access that, I'm choosing my little squares in the top left, and I'm going to go to People. Then you'll see here that I've created one for Ariston Primary School. All it is a list of different users who I can then quickly email. So I can now just click the email button, and as you can see, I can email everyone who's on that list. When it comes to maybe wanting to do that directly within mail, I would just click the new button, and then I would then type Ariston and search contacts in directory, and there you go, straight at the top I can search at Ariston Primary School. So that's the distribution list. Just as in you'd get a normal list of users and you'd use them in any other email system. The groups are slightly different. If I go down to Ariston Primary, underneath the groups list, you can see here we've got kind of different threads. So that's our first conversation. If I was to create a new conversation, as in something like, I'll just type this as an example. I can then click send, and then that's a whole new thread. So for me, it kind of reminds me slightly of forums. So then the next person can then come along, they can click on this as an example, and you can see they can then reply to it, and it keeps working this way like a thread. The other advantage of using this system, as it says on the welcome part, is that you can have clear conversations in clear threads. You can also have a shared document area. So this is like your OneDrive, but it's for a place to put files specifically for that group of people. So you can imagine if you're part of a working group, that could be really useful, as in you know for sure that that's the space where all those documents are going to be kept. Or even as a school, you could obviously have those shared documents. There is of course a lot of people who would use the sites to do that currently. The third thing that it brings that is really useful is that it actually brings its own calendar. So as in if I go to the three dots here, you can see that there is the option of calendar, and it is just a calendar. And I've actually pulled that into my list of calendars, my own personal view. So huge benefits there. So depending on what you're looking to do, you may decide to either go down the groups option, or all you may need is a distribution list. So in the next two mini videos, I'll just be showing you how to actually go about creating those. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.